Manje, ngifana kagama. Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we examine music ukucula ugwaba. We listen to our lyrics and try to break down the lyrics and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback. We inspire other people as well. Basically, it's non-toxic Zion YouTube channel. What's up, bro? Yeah. We are back with another one. Yeah. What's up, bro? Now, before you get into a lot of things, we are um we are 14 subscribers away from reaching 200. 14. The aim is to get to 1,000 and 1,000 and beyond. That the aim right now is to make sure that I get to 1,000. That's the aim right now. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like my videos, and also guys, don't forget to give me a recommendation and share to other people and other platforms as well to help us grow. And also, this channel is just it's not just for me, but it's for us as well. Also just to give you guys what you guys would love to hear, or something that you would love me to react to. Because there's just so many churches happening, others I still have to go and look. And yeah, amanye amabandla wakadrop amavideo abo yet. It's the week after good, and some churches haven't dropped anything. Like anything. Other churches are dropping in abundance. When I say in abundance, them people be dropping back to back to back to back to back to back to like crazy numbers, crazy videos. And I'm like, hey, that's why I'm trying to shoot two or three in a day, because money, and I want to make sure that I get done with as much as I can for good, so that by the time you figure maybe halfway May, there's other things as well, because imishadi yeza, imingcwabi yeza. Okay, that was a bad example, but anyway, either or. So today we're reacting to the House of God Ministry, Ikhona Indawo and Kusho uJesu. Guys, mara yekani. Yabona kancane sizosina ngizosifunda ngizosazi. Bits by bits. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. Guys, yeah. Okay. Even my body can't digest what I'm hearing. What? This is you. Okay. I'm gonna paraphrase the song. The song says, "Khona indawo eyethu sonke la sizoba no Jesse ikunaphakade forever." There's a place where we will be with Jesus forever and ever. House of God. Me as umfana kagama, ngicela ukubuza. Niyithatha le rhythm. How do you guys do that? Like how do you guys do that? Like, njani? Ngicela ningi-explaineleni. Wait a second. Wait, hold on. House of God. Whoa. Y'all sound like God is having a shower. Y'all sound like God put up his own choir and went like, what? Aiko aggressive, mara inalanto. Aiko aggressive, but it hits hard, bro. Like it hits that emphasis of the singing of the song. Like, guys, no, man, no. Oh no, guys, no. What did you? Uzwile babitena maseyisukuma lapha nebhesi oledwazi bani. What on earth is going on? These people are representing the house of God. No, guys. No. No. What's the we pack? No, definitely. Y'all are in the house of God. Nah, y'all live with God. No. I want to see. Take me there. They must take me there. They must. Whatever to fuck up. No way, man. No way. No way. And guys, fast. This may be out of context. Ngiyambona ku Multivision. Now, my question to you is: a Multivision a choir or a church? Because she was also singing Lapha Fake Blue, and there is a lady Okonza Kona La, and ngiyambona naye he was there, and the guy Shaya him he back on the 10 has a nice beautiful voice. The guy is skinny, big eyes. In Multivision, what is it? Is it a church or is it a choir? Because ngimbona everywhere now. So it's Multivision, if I'm not mistaken. I think that was the video that ngimbone for the first time before ngizoreacta to House of God. Oh, I'm not House of God, I'm not Multivision again. Yeah. Is Multivision a choir? Ngicela stars because now I see familiar faces and the only thing that's missing is just names, but outside from that, I bafethu. And the House of God. No. this woman on the far right of your screen. That woman ngambona khona also on that video again. So yikho ngibuza ukuthi i-multivision, is it a choir or is it what is it? Please let me know. I'm still new at this and I'm still trying to figure out ukuthi kwenzakalani. But I see familiar faces here and there. Outside from that, guys, listen, Yegelen House of God. They live with God. These people bahlala nayo. Bahlala nayo emvelini without even asking. La bantu bahlala nayo. Hands down. There's no way these people sound like this. And bayasho endawo iphezulu. And abahlala nayo kunaphakade. The. My question will always be, Lawa voice in Watatapi. How on earth do you guys sound like that? How do you all sound like you're like in a studio? Like legit. Legit. No, legit speaking. It's as if like I downloaded the song somewhere and I listened to it. Ipesa Pumala. Your phone what VTs so look, what VTs so my earphone. See this? Super loud. So you can imagine. You can imagine how loud these people sound. And we're talking about, and as of late, no, not as of late, but the church urban director earlier on today, and then not earlier on today, the first video he uploaded it today, and this one, you can tell good, but it's the determination. Remember what I said on Sunday. Until now, I'm still singing the same song. Eliminate the competition and jealousy in the church and watch the best of abilities of everyone come to life. Because everyone knows Uguti, Okomuntos something, and our contribution are towards the same goal. Once you have that, no one can touch you. Look at this. This is magnificent. You understand? You don't need 1,000 people in. You just need a few dedicated people. And I'm telling you, no salanaya ve. Not tiwananaya. And ngaleso sikhathi it's at dawn yabona ukuthi nelanga cishe ngathi lasukuma. There's a sunrise. Nelanga lisanda kuphuma. Nalelanga was like, hayi nithini phela? Nithini? That's incredible. House of God. House of God. House of God. House of God. House of God bringing the building down on his knees. Yeah. Ivale mfana. Yabeza labantu aba momo bathini. Bathi uJesu ushilo ukuthi akeke bashiye. Namanje. Kunjani manje kunjalo? Yeah, somewhere along those lines. Sithini le ndaba le House of God? Hayi man guys man no. Hayi guys hayi. Y'all have me tripping, man. You guys have me tripping over here. How do you guys sound like that? It sounds so perfect. Like, it sounds so perfect. Like, the way, listen, there's a part where a leader will say something. Bass will take over for a good 5, 6, 7 seconds. And then while on that, the alto just comes in. And then out of the blue, they blend in. How do you guys do that? Who composed the song? Who sat down and said, guys, le ngoma le sizocula ngale ndlela le. Bass uzothi bese uthi wena sifuthu wenza sure ukuthi nje uyahlala endabeni. Who? And the crazy part is to talk with some of these songs being existing. That's the crazy part. It's the first time hearing it. So for me, it's a new song. Legit. Oh my God. Oh, bathi niyamanje siyamazi. Wethembekile. Yeah, that's what this is. My guy. Hadi sapho I wish I could. Guys, Nankel, when you guys are watching my reaction, Nankel, having a sound system, I'm going to plug it to the sound system. If you're lalele your phone, make sure you have my earphones or headset. And in most cases, let me show you. In most cases, ngithole ama-earphone, ngithole ama-earphone ane-rubber, ama-earbud. You see these ones? Get these. Get these. And listen to these people. Uzoyizwa lento engiyizwa. I'm telling you. Hayi bazalwane. Hawu bazalwane. Ngisasho namanje. Ukhona obukela lama video. Abazi kahle ukuthi they can sing. Ebazi kahle ukuthi they can preach. Talking to the younger ones now. Ebazi kahle ukuthi bayakwazi ukukhuleka. That thing ekuwe was not put there just. I understand. And apart from all of that, whatever it is that you put your mind to and say you want to do, go and do it. Oh, and like for real, for real. Hey, nay house of God, nay house of God. Ifikile, ifikile bakhuluma ngendlu ephezulu. Bathi kuhlala ongcwele bayoba nayo kube naphakade. La usanake khona batushile, batwethembekile. Bathi ngeke shit namanje. Even now, and the Bahamas. They know this person. They know them very well. I'm so glad I started this channel, man. Yeah. Hey, look, man. Look. If you do like the content on this YouTube channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please don't forget to give me a recommendation. And guys, do comment. Just communicate with me. Don't be scared. And we are currently, as I'm shooting this, we are currently 14 subscribers away from 200 subscribers. The aim is to get to 1,000. The aim is to get to 1,000. So share this to others as well. Don't gatekeep. Yeah, and thought I remember one lady one lady close to me, she said to me, Ati yo, mina mangfuna uwazingo moramabanda. I just come to your page. And I was taken aback by that. I was like, wow. Ati look, I just come to your page and I look, and then from there I just go to whatever it is. And I was really taken aback by that. I really appreciated it. Uguti, there's people who come here, look, react, and then go to the original video. And for doing that too, man, you guys just not helping me. You're also helping that channel as well. You're also helping that other Zion channel ever poster or the actual church itself, wherever I got the video from. And I'm glad that people are also recognizing other churches as well. And I'm also glad that other churches are also having their own YouTube channel. And yes, I will be there to react. So in the favorite way, to Jupiter, adios.